YouTube, it's the OG back with another video. As you can see, I got a box right there. I'm about to pop it open and see what's up in here. So sit tight. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. I had a couple of packages that got caught up missing. I had some Jordans, man, I ordered. Waiting on them so long, I just put in a request and got my fucking money back because the shit didn't come. Mail is all screwed up right now, man. For real, I'm not gonna lie. This really ain't a good time to be ordering shit because everybody and their mama is on the internet ordering shit, you know? So, but it is what it is. I got my money back for my J's, but I wanted that shoe real bad, man. But I'm really going after those Flint 13s. I gotta have them shits. Alright, sit this right there. Y'all see it? Converse. I got these in 11 because they run big, man. Even 11 and a half, I have room in them. So I got a couple of pairs that are size 11. So let's see what it's looking like. Let's see. Wow, these are nice. I like these. Oh yeah. Let me scoot this up so y'all can see it. Wow. These are nice. These are definitely nice. I like these. Leather is soft on here. That soft leather, you know? Yeah. It's the interior. Yeah. These are alright. It's the other one right here. Came with this little card. I don't know what the hell this is. Anyway, we're looking at this shoe right here. Like I say, the leather on these is so soft, man. Soft ass leather. Just the back of them. Alright, YouTube, I'd like to thank each and last one of y'all for stopping by for this unboxing. I truly appreciate you guys. You know, it's the OG. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm out of here.